Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to complete IRS Form 1040. So this is the main individual income tax return form used to report your income, claim deductions or credits, and figure out if you're getting a refund or if you need to pay taxes. So before you start filling it out, make sure that you have your tax documents ready, like your W-2s, 1099s, and any other forms that show your income or tax payments. So on the screen, open the Form 1040 PDF from the IRS website so that you can follow along directly on the form. To start at the top of the page 1 with your basic information, fill in your first and last name, your social security number, and your home address. And if you're filling with a spouse, there's also space for their information on the same section. And right below that, choose your filing status by checking the box that applies to you. Then move to the digital assets question and answer it before continuing. After that, if you're claiming any dependents, complete that section by entering their details in the boxes provided. So once that part is done, move down to the income section. This is where you report the amounts from your tax documents. You see lines for wages, tips, interest, dividends, IRA distributions, pensions, social security benefits, capital gains or losses, and other income. Only fill in the lines that apply to your situation and leave the rest blank as you go down the form. It will guide you through adding those amounts together, entering any adjustments to income, and then calculating your adjusted gross income. So after that, go to the page 2 and then continue with the tax and credit section. So this part helps work out how much tax you actually owe after deductions and credits are applied. You'll go through items like your deduction, taxable income, tax amount, and any credits that reduce your total tax. So just follow the form in order and enter amounts from any related schedules only if they apply to you. Next, continue to the payments and refundable credits section. This is where you enter any federal tax already withheld from forms like your W-2 or 1099, along with estimated tax payments and any refundable credits that you qualify for. After adding everything up, the form will show whether you overpaid or still owe money. At the bottom of the form, complete the refund or amount that you owe section. And if you're getting a refund, this is where you can enter your bank information for direct deposits. And if you owe taxes, the amount will appear in that section instead. Then finish the form by completing the third-party designee section if needed, and sign the date the return. If a paid preparer helped complete the form, they would fill out the last section as well. And that's how to complete IRS Form 1040 from start to finish. So just take your time, review each line carefully, and make sure the numbers match your tax documents before filing. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.